Good morning friends, myself Niranjan Naik. Welcome to our channel Quest. Today is 26 January. On this day in 1950, India became a republic. From that day, Republic Day is celebrated throughout India. On this day, Prime Minister hoists flag at Lal Killa in Delhi. The President of India hoists flag at Rajpath, where a big celebration occurs with a national parade. Let's have a watch on some of the memorable events happened on this day in history in form of questionnaires. Question number 1. Which year on this day was Purna Swaraj declared by Indian National Congress? Answer 1930. India's constitution also came into effect on this day in 1950. Question number 2. Who was the first and last Governor General of Free India who resigned on this day? Answer Chakravarti Rajagopalachari. He resigned on this day in 1950. He had translated Kambin's Tamil Ramayan into English. He also translated Tirukuran into English. Question number 3. Which court of India was renamed on this day in 1950 as Supreme Court of India? Answer Federal Court of India. Question number 4. Which year did Lions of Ashok Pillar Sarnath get the recognition of national symbol of India? Answer 1950. Question number 5. Who was a Naga spiritual and political leader who had joined Heraka religious movement, which later turned into political movement seeking to drive out the British from Manipur and the surrounding Naga areas? Answer Rani Gaidinliu. Question number 6. Which bird was declared National Bird of India on this day in 1963 due to its amazing beauty? Answer Peacock. Question number 7. Which national memorial was established at India Gate on this day in 1972 in memory of martyrs in war? Answer Amar Jawan Jyoti. Question number 8. Which co-founder of Infosys was honored with Legion of Honor by France government in 2008? Answer Narayan Murthy. Question number 9. Which Indian cartoonist died on this day in 2015, best known for his creation The Common Man? Answer R.K. Lakshman. Question number 10. He is the founder of Microsoft, received the knighthood by Queen Elizabeth II in a ceremony at Buckingham Palace on this day in 2004. Who is he? Answer Bill Gates. Question number 11. Which year on this day Indian Railway introduced luxury rail Palace on Wheel for the tourist? Answer 1982. Friends, thank you for viewing this video. If you feel the video is useful for you, then like, comment, share and subscribe.